Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Lubna Khurshid. I am English teacher for class 3. This is our book Broadway Course Book 3. Yes, student. Look at this. Complete each word below by writing a letter in the color box. Read the words. Do you know what they mean? Now read the words formed in the color box. How are the other words related to the new word? In first line, we have a word smart. The second one, C-U-R-I blank box U-S. What is the word? C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Curious. What's the word? Curious. In third line, D-A black box G-E-R-O-U-S. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. Dangerous. Dangerous. In fourth line, Q-U-I-C dash, a blank box. Quick. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. In fifth line, C-L, a blank box. V-E-R. C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever. Clever. And last line, P-L-A, a blank box. F-U-L. P-L-A-Y. F-U-L. Playful. Now the new words become in color box is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Unit number 4. Tutu the monkey. Tutu the monkey. Yes, student. Now open your books. Turn to page number 40. I will read the lesson loudly. Put your finger on the word I read. Now read this story. Grandfather bought Tutu from a Tonga owner for 5 rupees. Tutu was a very pretty little monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with a mischief. What Tutu liked most was catching mice. So grandmother decided to tie him up one night in the ladder to catch the mice there. I removed Tutu from his comfortable bed of straw and put him in the ladder. Above him there were shelves of jam pots and other delicious things. The night was a long one for Tutu. The mice scampered about Tutu. Tutu curled up in a large ball and tried to get some sleep. At dawn, the mice returned to their holes. Tutu awoke, scratched himself, came out of the bowl and looked about for something to eat. The jam pots were attractive. Tutu soon found out how to open the lids. Grandmother's wonderful jams. She had made them herself, disappeared in a very short time. When grandmother opened the door to see how many mice Tutu had caught, she got a terrible shock. Tutu enjoyed bath on cold winter evening. Grandmother gave him a large bowl of warm water. He bathed himself. First of all, he tested the temperature of the water with his finger. Next, he stepped into the bath. Then he sat down in it. Then he took the soap and rubbed himself all over. When the water became cold, he got out and ran quickly to the fire to get dry. If anyone laughed at him at this time, he would look very hard. One day, the large kitchen kettle was on the fire. Tutu was alone in the kitchen. He took the lid off. The water inside was warm. Tutu loved warm water, so he got into the kettle and sat down with only his head showing above the opening. It was very nice at first, but the water began to get hot. Tutu stood up, but it was cold outside. So he sat down again. He continued standing and sitting for some time. He did not want to go into the cold room. Just then grandmother entered the kitchen. Tutu was lucky. Silly Tutu could have boiled himself to death. Yes, students. As we read the story of Tutu, we know just that Tutu was a naughty monkey. Tutu, like more, was catching mice. But when grandmother tied him in the ladder room, he did not catch any mice but eat all the grandmother's jam pots. Tutu enjoyed the bath in hot water. One time, then no one in the kitchen. The large kettle was on the fire. Tutu got into the kettle and sat down. The water began to get hot. But Tutu did not want to go into the cold room. Just grandmother entered the kitchen and Tutu was lucky to save from death. Here are some difficult words from this unit. First one is mischief. Mischief. Naughtiness. Naughtiness. Ladder. Ladder. A small room for storing food. A small room for storing food. Scampered. Scampered. Ran about. Ran about. Sparkle. Shine brightly with flashes of light. Shine brightly with flashes of light. Sparkle. Shine brightly with flashes of light. Comfortable. Comfortable. Physically relaxed. Physically relaxed. Scratched. A mark on the space of something with the sharp object. A mark on the space of something with the sharp object. Attractive. Attractive. Pleasing or appealing to the senses. Pleasing or appealing to the senses. Terrible. Terrible. Extremely bad or serious. Extremely bad or serious. Here are some difficult words from this unit. Sparkled. Sparkled. Mischief. Mischief. Number 3. Ladder. Ladder. Number 4. Comfortable. Comfortable. 5. Straw. Straw. 6. Delicious. Delicious. 7. Scampered. Scampered. 8. Curled. Curled. 9. Tried. Tried. 10. Scratched. Scratched. 11. Attractive. Attractive. 12. Disappeared. Disappeared. 13. Terrible. Terrible. 14. Temperature. Temperature. 15. Laughed. Laughed. 16. Continued. Continued. 17.
And now in the last, complete your worksheet. And now in the last, after watching this video, students will be able to solve their worksheet number 17.